Good morning, players. We have breaking news. One of Harvey Weinstein's convictions has been overturned by the New York Appeals Court. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's talk about it. So today in a bombshell ruling, the New York Appeals Court overturned Harvey Weinstein's 2020 grape conviction, finding that the judge at the landmark Me Too trial prejudiced Harvey Weinstein with egregious improper rulings, including a decision to let women testify about allegations that were not a part of the case. In a 4-8 decision, the judges wrote, "We conclude that the trial court erroneously admitted testimony of uncharged alleged prior sexual acts against persons other than the complainants of the underlying crimes. The remedy of these egregious errors is a new trial." Now, Harvey Weinstein will remain in prison because of a conviction in Los Angeles. In 2022, he was found guilty of another grape and sentenced to 16 years in the clink. Now, he was acquitted in Los Angeles on charges involving one of the women who testified in New York. Now, Harvey Weinstein's attorneys argued before the appeals court in February that Judge James Burke swayed the trial by allowing 3 women to testify about allegations that weren't a part of the case and by giving prosecutors permission to confront Harvey Weinstein if he had testified about his long history of brutish behavior. That attorney also argued that the judge rulings felt like he had called 1-800-GET-HARVEY. Now, prior to this ruling, judges on a lower appellate court had raised doubt about Judge Burke's conduct during oral arguments. One observed that the judge had let prosecutors pile on with incredibly prejudicial testimony from additional witnesses. Now, the judge, his term has expired at the end of 2022, and he was not reappointed, and he is no longer a judge. In appealing, Harvey Weinstein's attorney sought a new trial, but only for the criminal sexual charge. They argued that the grape charge could not be retried because it involves alleged conduct outside of the statute of limitations. Harvey Weinstein is currently locked up in the clink in New York at the Mohawk Correctional Facility about 100 miles northwest of Albany. He maintains his innocence, and he contends that any sexual activity was consensual. All right, so Harvey Weinstein's conviction has been overturned. They will have to have a new trial, and but he's still locked up because of the conviction that he has in California. This marks the second time that a conviction from the Me Too movement has been overturned. Y'all remember Bill Cosby's conviction was overturned due to a technicality. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. This is Double D Mother for the Black Accurate News.